have to start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time.
So what are you doing today?
Today, baking a muffin.
You're baking a muffin now. Can I help you?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm excited.
Okay, so guys,
I am fat.
I'm gonna be helping Nicole put on her apron. Today, she'll be making some muffin cake for us. Wait. Okay. So guys, if you want to see where I unboxed this apron, visit my other channel, EJ2. I'll leave the link. I'll leave the name on the screen. Guys, welcome back to our channel. Right, today guys, I'm very excited because today Nico will be baking some muffin cake for us. Are you guys ready? If today is your first time tuning into our channel, you're highly welcome. Thank you for coming back to watch our videos. Okay, so let's go. We'll show you the ingredients and you see our chief chef today. Let's go. Nicole, say hello guys.
Hello guys.
I look over here. Look. So what are you doing today?
Baking a muffin.
You're baking a muffin cake. Good job. So guys, let me show you the ingredients we're using today. So like I showed you in the video, wait, this is a butter, melted butter. I melted it myself. Okay. So we have the muffin cake container, right? So we have here the milk, we have the eggs, and we have the main ingredients for today. That's the vanilla buttercream, vanilla flavored cupcake. So this is what we'll be using. Actually, Nicole chose this. Look at she, close your mouth. So Nicole chose this at the store where we went. So this is what we'll be using today. I've not even opened this before. Okay, so it's in packs. So first, what do we put first? Put the butter. Put the melted butter. Oh yeah, put some. Put the melted butter.
Oh no!
It's okay. It's okay.
Says door.
Yes, melted butter. The next one is put the milk. Leave it. Put it down. Okay. Or you hold the milk. No, use your right hand. Take the milk. Put some. Don't put everything. Not everything. Just a little. A little. A little. A little. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Good job. So guys, this procedure, they said you add water, but milk will take the place of water. Liquid milk. Okay, so mix it. Good job. So what next do we put? Egg.
Egg.
Yes. How do you break it? I should help you.
Yes.
Okay. Put in eggs. 1. Put in 2 eggs. The second egg. 2. Good job. But mix. Mix it. Mix. Mix.
Mix and
Yes.
mix.
Mix. Let me help you.
Mix.
Get it. Get it. Get it. Okay. Come on. Yes. Come on. Mix. Mix. Mix.
Mix. Mix. Mix. Mix.
So guys, we will not be adding sugar because I think there should be enough sugar here already, so we won't be adding any sugar. So are you ready? What next?
What next? Delicious.
So guys, now we'll be adding the flour into the mixture, the muffin mix. Okay, we'll be opening it and then we add it.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12 cupcakes, right? So yummy and delicious, right?
1, 2, 3, go.
Yes, go. So guys, the muffin is out of the oven, but my kids have no patience anymore to wait for the frosting or decoration. They are already eating. Guys, come and join us. This is really delicious, like very thirsty. I love it. They love it a lot. We make this almost every week. Cause sneaky every day she tells me I want muffin. So guys, you can make this for your kids. It's very healthy. Okay, it's very healthy snacks. If you've not subscribed to our channel, please kindly subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Okay, share these videos. We love you all, guys. Okay, Samuel kept pushing everyone away. He wanted all the muffin to himself. He doesn't want to share with anybody. What happened? He just crying. If Nikki, what is his that? sister wants to pick anything, he I think cries now. and cries and cries. Sammy, why are you sad? Guys, that's to show you how much Sammy they wants love this. everything for himself alone. That's not right, Sammy. Sammy, take. This is for Samuel, okay? This is for Nico. What happened? You're sad?